Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday. Personalize your space every chance you get. With a little creativity, planning, and time, you can elevate something ordinary into something that is uniquely yours. We took some vintage wallpaper purchased at a thrift store and jazzed it up with a handful of highlighters and colored pencils. We practiced first and tried a few color combinations before settling on a final pattern. Then, it was just a matter of coloring everything up. The options for a project like this are only limited by one's imagination. What about adding a monogrammed initial to the pattern, or using iridescent glitter spray all over it? Although the overall effect for this project, once styled out, is a bit more subtle, knowing that there is a little extra surprise of color awaiting anyone willing to take a closer look makes it all worthwhile. Make sure you keep your eye out for future editions of Awesome Tip Tuesday because this isn't the last update this secretary will get. If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.